In this tool, we will be helping our body and energy centers to stay clean and clear by running energy from the core center of the earth and from the source energy. This tool will help you feel positively energized by opening up for free flow of the positive energies. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Now visualize a source of white light cloud 300 feet above your head. Let a beam of this white light falls down from this source and enter your crown chakra, slowly filling your entire body, system, and space. Now this light shoot down from your feet into the core center of the planet Earth and connecting there. This light now bounce back up from the core center into your feet, up your legs, up into your thighs, into your stomach, and enter your heart space. Now let the light spread out of your heart like a big ball of energy to cover your entire body. Let this bright light grow bigger and bigger. Then this light stretch out of the entire building you are in, increasing and covering the entire city you live in. Then it covers your entire state. Now this light stretch out in the entire country you live in and then expand out bigger than the entire planet Earth. Feel yourself connected to the light and oneness of all things. You are now connected to your higher spiritual consciousness. Now we start clearing energetic centers step by step. First, we ground ourselves by visualizing energetic roots coming out of our feet into the planet Earth, going deep down and feel connected to the core center of the planet Earth. Now our root chakra is located at the base of our spine. Visualize grounding cord seeping down from root to the core center of the planet Earth, where it feels safe and grounded. Now this earth energy, which is known as feminine energy, flows up the grounding cord back into your feet, up your legs, up into your back channels of the root chakra. Let the earth energy collect any congestion, any heaviness, and pulls this down into core center of the earth to transmute it. Feel any heaviness and congestion disappears instantly. Now visualize source energy above your head, which is known as masculine energy. Enter into your crown chakra and continue into back channels of your energetic centers, clearing out any energetic blockages and open up the flow of energy up to root chakra. As this pure source energy reach your root chakra, allow 49% of this pure masculine energy enter into your back channels of your legs and spin, clearing out any heaviness and energetic congestion, shooting down into the core center of the earth. Now allow 49% earth energy and 51% source energy to continue front channels of your energetic centers to clear out any remaining heaviness and energetic congestion. Feel this pure energy flows up and enter into your sacral chakra. Spin and clear out any heaviness and energetic congestion. Now it enter into your solar plexus, then your heart chakra, throat chakra, brow chakra, clearing out any heaviness and energetic congestion, and burst out from the crown chakra. Feel this energetic shower flush out any remaining heaviness and congestion out of your entire body, system, and space. Enjoy this energetic shower for a moment. Now allow 50% of this pure energy flows out through your hands, clearing out any energetic congestion. Let this feeling of divine energetic shower refresh and energize you and your energetic centers. Allow this high vibrational flow through your entire body, system, and space for a few moments. Visualize yourself as you lit up in this bright, high vibrational energy, feeling more energized, clear, and focused in high vibration.